Hey folks, we're still on April 11th, so this is not another day. We're showing you another group of cats that we feed right here in the same area. This time, these look like more like they were once somebody's cats in the apartments, but the last few times we've fed them, there's absolutely no food or no water. So I don't know how long they have stopped feeding their own cats, but of course I'm sure I found them by divine presence, which is God. So I'm sure that's how I got all the way down here on this street called near Nancy Street here. And so you can see there's some back in there, and we'll just put it right here because, like I said, we've not seen anybody feed these. So, okay, well, thanks for helping and having compassion.